Hi, this is Samantha, and I'm going to show you how to get different ideas for generating multiple explanations in MagicSchool AI. So the first thing that you'll need to do when you log into MagicSchool AI is find the multiple explanations generator tool. And when you do that, you'll select your grade level and the concept being taught. So for this, I'm just actually going to copy the South Carolina standard that we're teaching. In this case, it's a math standard. And then I'm going to also copy the indicator insight just to give it a little bit more information about what we're teaching, and then click generate. After you do that, MagicSchool will give you a couple of different ways that you can teach this content so that if a student doesn't understand it in the first way that you're teaching it, you can pull them to the side or pull them in a small group and share a different way to teach the same concept. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe for more Dear Dis YouTube videos.